In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a JSON template in N8n. Whether you're a seasoned data handler or just diving into the world of workflows, knowing how to efficiently import templates can save you a great deal of time and effort. So let's dive straight into this straightforward process and get you up and running with your N8n workflow in no time. To begin with, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the official N8n website. This site is the starting point for accessing the N8n platform where you'll manage your workflows. Once you're there, I recommend logging into your account if you haven't already done so. Having your account details readily available will ensure a smooth and seamless process. Now that you're on the site, the next step is to locate and open the workflow editor. This particular area of N8n is crucial, as it's where all the magic happens. You'll be using the workflow editor to import your new template, so make sure you're comfortable with this interface. The editor is typically user-friendly, allowing you to visualize and manipulate your workflows with ease. Once you have the workflow editor open, you will want to shift your attention to the top navigation bar. Up there, you'll see three little dots, which signify the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will present you with a menu of additional features and settings that you can use to enhance and customize your workflow experience. After clicking that, look for the option that says Import from File. This is your gateway to bringing in external workflow templates with just a few clicks. Selecting this option will prompt you to select the desired .json template file from your computer. Make sure you have this file handy and accessible on your device before you begin the process, as you'll need to locate it quickly once prompted. Once you've selected your .json template, N8n will begin the import process. It's important to be patient here, especially depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed. Once the import is completed, your new workflow will appear in the editor, ready for you to review, tweak, and start running. Remember, successfully importing a workflow is just one step in your workflow management journey. Always double-check the imported content to ensure all components are transferred correctly, and don't hesitate to explore the various N8n features to optimize your automation processes. And there you have it, a complete guide to importing a JSON template into N8n. I hope you find this walkthrough helpful and encourage you to explore further possibilities within the N8n platform. Until next time, happy automating!